Hello everyone, this is free online quiz for food technology. This special test series will be based on the latest pattern of the GATE exam, Food Safety Officer exam and entrance exam related to food science and technology. This quiz will be beneficial for the exam preparation. So let's start the exam. The question number 1 is, the oldest method of food preservation is dash. The options are A. Canning, B. Drying, C. Freezing and D. Sterilization. The correct answer is B. Drying. Question number 2. Which salt is used to cure meat? The options are A. Nitrates, B. Nitrites, C. Both A and B and D. None of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. The question number 3. The main ingredient of the brine is dash. The options are A. Sugar, B. Salt, C. Flavor and D. All of these. The correct answer is option B. Salt. Question number 4. The process of canning was invented by dash. The options are A. Nicholas Appert, B. Nicholas Appert, C. Peter Durant and D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Nicholas Appert. Question number 5. Irradiation of food is the exposure of food to dash. The options are A. Gamma rays, B. High energy electron X-rays, C. Both A and B and D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 6. Select the correct example of antimicrobial preservatives. The options are A. Calcium propionate, B. Sodium nitrate, C. Sulfites and D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 7. Which vitamin is called as natural antioxidant? The options are A. Vitamin C, option B. Vitamin D, option C. Vitamin E and D. All of these. The correct answer is option A. Vitamin C. Question number 8. Dash are specially formulated to prevent or retard oxidation of oils and fats. The options are A. Humectants, B. Stabilizers, C. Antioxidants and D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option C, that is antioxidants. Question number 9. Which acid is used as chelating agents? The options are A. Malic acid, B. Tartaric acid, C. Citric acid and D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. All of these. Question number 10. Generally, the temperature in the modern refrigerator is maintained between dash dash dash. Option A is 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. The option B is 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The option C is minus 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius and option D is all of these. The correct answer is option B, 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 11. Select the correct type of centrifugal separations. The options are A. Differential centrifugation, B. Density gradient centrifugation, C. Both A and B and D. None of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 12. The modern techniques where moisture contents from the foods are removed at much lower temperature under frozen conditions and vacuum is called as dash dash dash. The options are A. Vacuum drying, B. Freeze drying, C. Quick drying, and D. Both A and B. Correct answer is option B. Freeze drying. Question number 13. In controlled atmospheric storage, the oxygen level is reduced to dash dash percentage. The options are A. 1 to 2%, B. 21%, C. 79%, and D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. 1 to 2%. Question number 14. Microfiltration is used to separate colloids from polymers with the pores of dash dash dash. The options are A. 0.1 to 1 micron, option B is 0.001 to 0.1 micron, option C is 1 to 10 micron, and option D is all of these. The correct answer is option A. 0.1 to 1 micron. Question number 15. Select the correct example of class 1 preservative. The options are A. Sugar, B. Salt, C. Honey, and D. all of these. The correct answer is D. all of these. Question number 16. Select the correct example of class 2 preservative. The options are A. Edible oils, B. Benzoate, C. Nitrites, and D. both B and C. The correct answer is option D. both B and C. Question number 17. The electromagnetic radiation is transmitted through empty space at dash 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 meters per second. The options are A. 3 into 10 raised to 8, option B. 3 into 10 raised to 6, option C. 6 into 10 raised to 4, and option D. none of these. The correct answer is option A. 3 into 10 raised to 8. Question number 18. The foods that can be prepared and served very quickly are called as dash dash dash. The options are A. Easy foods, B. Magic foods, C. Fast foods, and D. all of these. The correct answer is option C. Fast foods. The question number 19. The term GRAS stands for dash dash dash. The options are A. Generally regarded as safe, B. Generally rated as safe, C. Generally regarded as superior, D. none of these. The correct answer is option A. Generally regarded as safe. Question number 20. An intelligent combination of hurdles that secures the safety from microbes and ensure no loss of nutritional quality and economic viability of foodstuffs is called as dash dash dash. The options are A. Doodle technology, B. Food technology, C. Hurdle technology, and D. both A and B. The correct answer is option C. Hurdle technology. These are the references. Now, how many answers you made it right and what is your score out of 20? Let us know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more quiz or video like this, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.